Good evening, I'm Creationist Cat. And first up tonight, sodomites everywhere, our mourning the passing of YouTube atheist Zaunstar, as he was mysteriously blown to smithereens during a broadcast of AtheismTV's The Infidel. Luckily, Creationist Cat just happened to be on hand to continue the broadcast, which is what you're watching now, in case you didn't realize it. Also in the news, atheism was dealt another devastating blow recently when fellow young Earth creationist and founder of the prestigious Traveling Creationist Museum of Alberta, Canada, Ian Juby, announced the winners of his first ever Epic Evolution Ponage Contest. Yes, creationism's best and brightest people that they could kind of pass off as stars were on hand to pay tribute to the cutting edge of intelligent design sciencey stuff. But the proceedings were not without controversy, as literally dozens of adult male contestants failed to put forth a more convincing argument than these prepubescent children. Among the upsets, popular evangelical radio host and full-grown man Shock of God came in at just 5th place, losing to this kid right here who disproved evolution with a shoe or something, as well as this incomprehensible 5-year-old in a lab coat seen here.
It was so much better than the first one that I was able to outperform the plane and it was able to survive to have kids.
Hey, speaking of kids, check this one out. Think it might be up to something. Not sure what, but whatever it is, I don't like it. This has nothing to do with the contest. I just find him very nefarious. But my personal fave of the competition was from this skinny hipster guy that I'm pretty sure is Project Runway winner Christian Siriano. Yes, Siriano blew the lid off of evolution's stunning lack of transitional reptile-to-bird fossils by revealing the contents of this one drawer that happened to be empty at the time. So where are the fossils, people? You keep on saying you've got them, but they're not inside this particular drawer at the present time, so I guess your theory must be invalid. Sodomites, listen up. Now, I know after witnessing all this irrefutable testimony against evolutionism, a lot of you freaking sodomites watching out there are feeling lost, pwned, maybe even Tommy Lee pwned. And you're just searching for one convincing argument for God. Well, let me share the most convincing argument I've come across. Loses a little bit in translation. I guess you really gotta speak cat or Aramaic to understand. But hey, are you guys subscribed to Creationist Cat and AtheismTV yet? Creationist Cat is your premium source of hardcore cat on atheist ponage. And here's a taste of what you'll be seeing in 2012. I think I know a thing or two about cats, Aaron Raw. Dawkins, I'll see you in hell! Evolution is crap! It's Diesel Dog! Well, hello, sexy. Personally, I get an exorcism at least 3 times a year.
I would like to know whether or not the use of catnip is sin.
Whoa! I'm freaking out, man! I'm freaking out! Kiara, is any of this real? Oh God, why do I kind of enjoy that? One of these 5 insidious jerks destroyed the fan in my laptop. The votes are in, sodomites. And soon I'll reveal the one that's gonna be super pwned like no man has been super pwned before. Subscribe or you're an idiot. Jesus!